Hey, what's up fandom fam? How's everyone doing? So I'm back with the second video of my KTM Duke 390 and you know already what it is about. I spoke about this in the reveal video. Vehicles going around, always there's some disturbance happening. So yes, we're gonna get rid of this number plate. We're gonna get rid of this tire hugger and this sari guard that's standard on every other Indian motorcycle. And I'm gonna get CNC short mirrors in place of these. These I use only for touring or maybe doing long rides. So that's it. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna keep this video short, so it's gonna be just transition and stuff like that, and maybe a time lapse of the things I'm doing. Yes, that's my scar from the accident. 2020, what a great year it was. So anyways, we are back, and let me know what you think. The links to the products will be down in the description. Even the tail tidy that I had done on the Duke 250, that's no longer in production. I don't know what happened to that company. Maybe lockdown wiped out quite a lot of businesses in India. So this one is local as well, not the CNC mirrors. Those are imported, Chinese most probably. I don't know, you let me know. But the tail tidy is Indian, so support Indian businesses, support local businesses, and I will see you in the next vlog. Fandom fam, fandom rides out. Hey, what's up fandom fam? How's everyone doing? So I'm back with another vlog on my KTM Duke 250.